Yeah, we like to stand out. We are different from some of our competitors in the way that we go to market and the way we provide our services. You know, we are very much a quality and service-based business, and we are a sort of vibrant and colourful company, and that's represented in our imagery and our graphics. I think sometimes you could almost if you've had similar stands over a number of years, you could get bored with it. But I love how fresh it looks. I love the different lighting and the colouring that we have. And as I said, we still get people coming up and complimenting on us on the stand. Visually, I'd say the graphics that are lit up with the lighting behind it makes it really clear about all the different types of services that we can provide. And we try not to spill anything on it as well, which is good. I've got rid of all of the chairs and all of the tables, so no one can sit down and we're all standing and talking to our potential clients. It gives us peace of mind that when we're organising an event or getting ready for an event, there's a lot of things that we need to prepare for. Having that comfort that we know that the stand design is there and taken care of is a big thing for us. To date, we've only ever used this stand for Accountex, but the opportunity is there if we want to opportunistically go for other events to use the stand. Yeah, it was seamless, right? Like I've worked with, I think it's Tracy from your side for the last couple of years. We have an agency and a marketing agency that we work with as well in tandem, and it was like clockwork this year. Really, really easy. Yeah, it is good having someone who's got the expertise and knows how to put these things together well.